My name is Willem Theerens. I'm a music producer from Belgium, and now I'm here in Luxembourg for data certification. I am already making music for a long time now, and I'm interested in combining science and music together. It's a steep learning curve, so this is going to be the first time I'm combining those two things together. I chose to work with traffic data for this project. Science and music is almost the same, just the creating part was always something totally different. One of the mentors in the project is Valerie Vermeulen. It's a Belgian prof in mathematics. Theoretical music skills are based on math. So that was a great help for us.